back in the days.
After our exams, as usual, she came first.
That is my girl.
Wow, that's my daughter.
She has gotten the scholarship people were looking for.
Really? May God be praised.
Oh, hallelujah.
Frema,
We are taking her to the city on Monday.
really?
Yes. To continue in one of the big schools in our country here.
I have a confession to make.
A confession.
Sure.
What's wrong? Elom. Oh, Elom, I'm sorry. I lost my virginity. Blah, blah, blah. Come on. It's not necessary, okay? I love you and that's what matters.
Come on, that's
I'm
far
serious.
from that.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we plan. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawuni, a descendant from the great Amitoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Lucky.
Baba, what did he say?
He didn't accept it.
What? Is he mad? Whom does he think he is? Huh? Baba?
Odi! We are just having a conversation, you just walk out on me like that.
Wait, I'm coming. Mommy Essie! Mommy Essie!
Yes, what is it?
Come. Your daughters always bring me trouble. This time, there's no kunedu. It's your innocent face, Frema. Come and listen.
We are always predicting you. Hey, madam.
Madam is here with Frema.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Today her feet is not balloon.
Madam, please, your mission here this afternoon.
I come in peace. And it is good news.
Really?
Good news.
Your daughter, she has done it again. After our exams, as usual, she came first.
That is my girl.
Wow, that's my daughter.
I am not done. And now, she has gotten the scholarship people were looking for.
Really? May God be praised.
Oh, hallelujah.
Frema.
Oh, that's my daughter.
I'm not done yet.
We are taking her to the city on Monday.
Really?
Yes. To continue in one of the big schools in our country here. proud of you, I must say.
Mama, you've done so well. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Come again.
We are coming for her on Monday. Mommy, see, on Monday.
Frema, hug me to her.
Thank you.
Oh. This is good news.
Did I not tell you we will prove you wrong? Did I not tell you Frema is not like connecting?
And now I have seen it.
You are not ashamed sitting here and saying this is good news.
Oh, the case, be fast. Tell you to be faster. He can be here anytime. Let's go.
Frema, take me another hug.
Man always have to be careful.
Frema.
Mama, thank you so much. God bless you for everything.
What is it? Can I not congratulate my daughter in peace?
But she's my daughter too. Is she not my daughter too? Frema, come and hug me.
Mommy, thank you for your support. Thank you for the support.
Thank you for you also did not disappoint me. That is my girl.
Mommy, when I get to the city, I'll be walking.
Oh, Frema.
Yes.
Frema.
Yeah.
Like
yeah. That's my girl. That is my girl.
Hey, Frema.
Thank you so much, Mother. Thank you.
Huh? Frema, come. Oh, Frema, come. Frema.
Mommy.
Frema.
Frema.
Look at your face.
My daughter, you've done so well. You've done so well. If we had lost hope, we wouldn't have reached this far. If we had looked at the attitude of some people. Yes.
Mommy, see. Why are you saying this?
Yes.
Oh, stop that. I had to do this for her to get the scholarship.
Look at you.
Everything I did is for her to get to this level.
Look at you. Look at you.
Look at who? Stop that.
This man. This man thinks he's stubborn.
This one we call it Bongolo Pacha. Bongolo Pacha.
This man thinks he's smart and intelligent.
You see that thing?
We will show him that we are on top of our game.
Until he stops talking about our matters. You see that thing? Hey. Go on, be fast. Andurumoko.
Today be today.
There is a fire on the mountain. Run. There is a fire on the mountain. Run. There is a fire on the mountain. Run. There is a fire on the mountain. Hey, run.
Enjoyment.
What? Sale fire go hot. Hey, Sale no easy. That's I tell you, today we go chop meat. What the case? Kwati kakra. What the kwati kakra? Kwati kakra. Na fe wonai na. What you say? Today we go chop meat. Hey, but in case of this meeting here, I won't allow you to give Araba sound. You know, with Jimmy na yekoi na man now they could do no.
Your mind for deal.
You won't give her some.
Yeah, it be true thing he dey talk.
You are woman, so what?
This meat looks like his owner.
And sorry, that guy. Alibaba. Yes. Forget about him. How can a deaf and dumb guy enjoy with us?
He has started insisting again.
Forget about him. What? Have you not seen me?
Sorry.
What?
Bro, you dey rush. Wait.
Oh.
You are welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you are doing well.
By God's grace.
Yo, madam. My humble self and my beautiful wife. We are here to say thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Highly appreciated.
Oh, yes. For what you have done for us. What you have done for Frema. Unspeakable. And I can see you love her so much. Thank you. If it has not been for you, we wouldn't know what we would have done.
Yeah.
God has really used you. Thank you for availing yourself. Madam, I wasn't like this, oh. The way I loved my daughters. I had high hopes for them. That they will reach the highest level of education. Madam. But look at Kunedu. All of a sudden, she came back home pregnant. She broke my heart. And I decided not to waste my money on even Frema. Because Kunedu made me know that it's not even profitable to educate a girl. But now, for this to happen, I've changed my mind.
Better.
I was telling my wife to forgive me. Because I know it wasn't good, but I was afraid.
I'm glad you have changed your mind. And with regards to what you said, I would have loved to say you are welcome to your thank you. But I wasn't the one who paid Frema's fees.
Like how?
Yeah.
It was Elom's father.
Yes.
Elom. Who is Elom?
Efo.
Efo!
Yes.
Efo!
Ejachimesi, the same old Efo you were litigating with over that parcel of land.
Don't bring that
here. He's the same man who came to our rescue. Now you see the world runs in circles.
Efo?
Yes, Efo.
But how come?
Efo. That is how the world is. Such is life. Yes.
So you owe Efo so much gratitude.
Yeah, I do. I will package it nicely and I will go and give it to him.
And mind you, if you are going to see Efo, I am not accompanying you.
No.
I am not accompanying you.
Don't
I will
that.
not go with you.
I will go with you.
Nah.
Don't say that.
Count me out.
Count me out.
Madam.
The two of you.
No. This is how we chop love.
The way this man is troublesome, if I don't keep him in line, he tends to go overboard. So I always have to keep a tight leash on him.
Amazing.
It's serious, though.
Is it right? Interesting. Oh, don't do it here.
Then you need to be going.
Hey, city girl.
What?
City girl. So when are you leaving?
Hey, very soon.
How I wish my dad could transfer me to your school.
Hey, come on. But you can pay me a visit. And besides, we can meet here during vacations.
Come on, Freema. I know about that, but I've already missed you.
I miss you more, my love.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you know it.
I'm damn happy.
I have a confession to make.
A confession?
Sure.
What's wrong? Elom, I'm sorry. I lost my virginity. Blah, blah, blah. Come on. It's not necessary, okay? I love you and that's what matters.
Come on, that's
I'm
far
serious.
from that. That's
Okay.
really far from that. Your dad told me, Elom told me you wanted to see me.
Oh, Joe, I asked him to call you so that I may know what to get from you. Oh, you don't worry. You know you are a very good girl, a very nice girl of my choice.
What?
Oh, you don't worry, I'll do everything for you. Don't utter any word. Eh? You can go and think about it. If you accept me, I will do anything that you want for you. Eh? Oh, Freema, you are welcome.
Freema, I know about that already, okay? My dad knows we are dating. He's aware of our relationship. Father, please, I want you to do something for me.
Oh, Aaron, you know you are my only son. And I will do anything that you want for you. You tell me.
Okay, Father, it's about my friend, Freema. You know I love her and I want you to test her for me.
Test her?
Yes, please. I just want to know if she's someone I can rely on in the future.
Aaron,
Father,
you go. I will know what to do.
Really?
Yeah.
You did that?
Come on, I'm sorry. Are you angry?
No, I'm also sorry, but you know, I nearly fell for that.
I
Don't
knew
do that again.
I knew you wouldn't be angry. That's why I love you.
I love you more, but you know I'm always a good girl. Don't test me. I don't like that.
City girl, good girl. Nice combination. Hey, come here. I'll miss you, okay?
I'll miss you more.
I hope no one is watching.
Yeah, no one is watching.
My kiss.
No, you can only give me a peg.
Come on, I want a kiss.
Hey! Alright. Hey, you!
Kiss me, la.
Where we are going?
Come on, I want a kiss.
Hey, you! When we are going, I'll give it to you.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I hope you are not angry.
Me, angry with you. Why?
Okay,
am I mad? Hey, I'm waiting for my kiss.
Come and catch me from there. You are not romantic, cry.
I should catch you.
Let's go.
You are not
Hey, but you...
So who did this to me? Who did this to me? Hold me, Penny Quanta. A secret that I have monitored for a long time. Now that I have gotten the opportunity to get it, you have stolen it from my trap. Why all this? What have I done to deserve this? In fact, I'll kill somebody today. I'll definitely kill somebody today. I'll kill somebody today. Somebody today. How can I live my own village and I can't find peace? Can you come and steal my cement? There's something is true. Please. It is true. Oh yeah, let's carry her. Let's carry her. Come, let's carry her. You carry you so nice. You carry you nice. That's nice. By the time you get home, it will be there waiting for you. Last one. Okay.
Can you help me carry the water?
I'm coming. I'm going to take my bath. When I finish, I'll come and carry you. One, no, separate two. Hey, sweetheart, let's go. Go, the devil is a liar. Go.
Next, back in the days.
10. Stop. Oh, don't look here. Yeah. Hey, Asato! Hey, Dogo! Is that what you've been doing when I'm away?
Papa, no.
And you, are you not part of the boys? The vagabond boys in this town? No. Are we smokers?
No. Me, I'm just passing a greet.
You had the guts to come to my own house.
So, you'll be lying to me? Amele, all this while you'll be lying to me. You allow your teacher, that idiot teacher of yours, impregnated you. Hey!
Mawole.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon.
Back in the days, back in the days. Ready, man. Jaya go bunny